In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your ElevenLabs API key. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate ElevenLabs cutting-edge features into your projects, or simply interested in exploring their capabilities, obtaining an API key is your first step. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you have a smooth experience from start to finish. First, you need to navigate to the ElevenLabs website, which you can find at ElevenLabs.io. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. For those who are visiting for the first time, you'll need to take a moment to register. Don't worry, the registration process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to create your account, and once that's done, log in with your new credentials. After logging in, it's time to access your API keys. You'll want to look for the option titled My Workspace, or possibly Profile plus API Key, which is usually located in the bottom corner menu. Click on it, and then proceed to select API keys from within the menu options. This will bring you to the area where you can manage or create new keys for your projects. Now you'll need to create a new API key. Find and click on the Create API Key button. Here you'll be asked to provide a name for your new API key. It's a good idea to choose something descriptive that will help you identify its usage later on. For example, if you're planning to use it for a specific application or feature, use that as part of the name. This small step can save confusion in the feature, especially if you end up managing multiple keys. Upon naming your key, you have the option to configure permissions. While this is optional, it comes highly recommended for security reasons. Configuring these permissions means you can restrict the API key's access to only the features you intend to use, such as text-to-speech or voice cloning, or even set character limits specific to your needs. Taking a moment to consider these settings can help protect your projects and data from unauthorized use. After you've named and configured your new API key, click Create. Your API key will then be generated and displayed on the screen. It's really important to copy this key immediately, as it will not be shown again for security reasons. Paste it into a secure document or key management tool where you can access it easily but safely. And that's it. You now have your ElevenLabs API key ready for use. With this key, you'll have the capability to unlock ElevenLabs' powerful suite of tools, tailored to fit your creative and technical needs. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel confident moving forward with your ElevenLabs projects.